Hey kindergarten! Okay, it's Monday, so we're going to do our reading workbook lesson. So find your reading workbook and we'll get started. Alright, so you can get your reading workbook out and open it up to page 53. So 5-3 should say, "This is the way we go to school" in the corner. You can rip out this page, and then you can also rip out the small book, Run Tim. We'll read that one next. Alright, so make sure you get your name on your paper right at the top here. And today we're looking at two consonants. We're looking at Y and Q. Okay, so we're going to look at the pictures. If the picture begins with the Y sound, the Y sound, then we're going to write upper and lowercase y. If the picture begins with the Qu sound, remember the QU blend, we're going to write QU on the line. Okay, so our first picture is a yo-yo. Y. Yo-yo. Do you hear the y sound or the qu sound? I hear the y sound. That's right. So we're going to write upper and lowercase y on there. Okay, this next one is a queen. Queen. Do you hear the y sound or the qu sound? That's right. I hear the qu sound. The Q U blend. So we're going to write lowercase q, lowercase u. Next picture is a yarn. Yarn. Y. Y sound or qu sound? Yeah, you know that. It's Y. Oops. Make sure your Y goes all the way to the bottom so it's not floating. Alright, now over here, this is a quilt. Quilt. Do you hear the Y sound or the qu sound? That's right, Q-U. Okay, this one is a yard. Yard. Do you hear Y sound or qu sound in yard? That's right, Y sound. Okay, and last one is a question mark. Question mark. Y sound or qu sound? That's right, QU. Perfect. All right, make sure your paper looks like mine. Make sure your name's at the top, and then you can flip it over. We're going to do the back side. All right, and just like normal, we have 4 words in our word box, and we have 4 sentences that we have to place these words into. So the first word says, try to read that to yourself if you can, one of our sight words. This word says come, so I want you to circle the word come. This one is super easy, right? That word is we. Put a box around the word we. This one's kind of trickier. Do you know that word? It says where. Underline the word where. And the last one has an SH digraph. She. Put some stars by the word she. Alright, so our first sentence starts with a blank right away, so one of these words is going to go right away into the sentence. So let's try the word come first. Ready? Come can see me. Nope, that doesn't really make sense. How about the word we? Ready? We can see me. Nope, that doesn't really work either. How about the word where? Where can see me? Nope, I don't think so. Let's try the word she. She can see me. Yep, I think that one fits the best out of all of them. So we're going to write she here, but it's the first word in our sentence. So that means the S has to be uppercase. That's right. So we're going to write uppercase S, then lowercase s, or lowercase h, lowercase e. She can see me. Perfect. All right, let's go down to the bottom here. Oh, we're going to cross off the word she because we used it. So let's try the word come first. Ready? Come, will you go? Nope, I don't think so. Let's try the word we. We will you go? That doesn't really work either. How about the word where? Where will you go? I think that one makes the most sense. So we're going to write where here, it's the first word in our sentence again, so that means the W has to be, right, uppercase. We're going to write uppercase W and then lowercase H-E-R-E. Where will you go? Perfect. Cross out the word where, used it. Now we're going to go up here. All right, let's put the word come in the sentence first. Ready? Come can run fast. That doesn't really work. Let's try the word we. We can run fast. Out of those two, I think we fits the best. So we're going to write we in on the line right here. First word in our sentence again, so that means the W has to be, right, uppercase. So uppercase W, lowercase e. Remember, all of our lowercase letters, except H, if it has a tail, are going to stay under the dotted line. So make sure your lowercase letters stay under that dotted line. Crossed out we because I used it. We just have one word left, so let's put the word come in our sentence right away. Ready? Come and see this bug. Perfect. First word in our sentence, so our first letter, which is C, has to be uppercase, uppercase C, lowercase o, m, e. Come and see this bug. Perfect. Can pause the video here, make sure your paper looks like mine. Then this goes back into our folder to come back to school. And then you can find your book, Run Tim. Put your name at the top, and we're going to read this one together next. Okay, and then you can fold your book up. And in our book, we have to first find all of the Y consonants and all of the QU blends. So if you see a word that has either a Y in it or a QU blend, we're going to circle it, okay? So on this first page, can you see any consonants that are Y's or any QU blends? Let's look at our first sentence here. See any in that one? Nope. Okay, let's go to the second sentence. Oh, there's one. The word you has the Y sound in it. There's a QU blend in the word quit and another Y. Awesome. All right, let's go to the next page. See any Y's or QU blends in here? Let's look at our first sentence. None in there. How about our second sentence? There's one. You again. There's a QU blend in the word quit again. And the word yet. All right, let's go to page 3. First sentence, any in there? Nope. How about the second sentence? Oh, there's one again. And the word quit. And the word yet. I'm noticing a pattern here. You guys noticing a pattern? Yep, I see it. All right, last page. See any Y's or QU blends in here? Nope. How about the second sentence? Nope. All right, let's go back and count them. Make sure we get the same numbers. So on the first page we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and none on the back. So our number is 9. So we're going to write a 9 up at the top, and we're going to circle it. Okay, and then we are going to read our story. Okay, so find the title of the story and point to it for me. See the title? Where's the title at? Yeah, right here. So finger under the word run. Ready? Try to read with me as I read to you. Ready? Run, Tim. Finger under the word Tim, first sentence. Ready? Tim ran past his sis. She said, "You cannot quit yet." All right, page 2. Finger on the word Tim. Ready? Here we go. Tim ran up a hill. His dad said, "You can not quit yet." All right, page 3, finger on the word Tim. Tim ran and ran. His mom said, "You cannot quit yet." You guys seeing the pattern here? His mom says you can't quit. His dad says you can't quit, and his sister said it too. He's got a lot of people watching him run. All right, last page. Finger in the word Tim. Tim ran to the end. Tim had a rest. All right. Now what you can do, you can take this book and you can try to read it to mom or dad or brother or sister. And then you need to go back and you need to color the pictures realistically, okay? And then once you're done with that, then this can go into your packet to come back to school with your reading workbook page. All right, good job, guys.